In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the display orientation in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Click on your start bar right, click on your settings. Once you have clicked on it, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, click on your display right. From your display, you're going to see the display orientation under the scale and layout right. So click on it. So you can select any display orientation you want, right, from your own adjustment, from your own preference, from your own choice. If I click on this right now, you can see how things are gonna appear right now, right? So I'm gonna revert it. If I click on this as well, you're gonna see how things are gonna appear, right? So this is basically how you can adjust the display orientation in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.